Hi guys, I'm glad to see you back. This is me, Virus, if you don't know me yet, and in this video we'll be infecting Ford Mustang. Let's walk inside and have a look what's waiting for us.
Bitch, I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling.
Let's watch this beauty before installation.
For you, ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. Yeah. I'm so handsome. All in Carmine's with my Benz, I'm so fancy. No romancing. Got my baby and she right, she make you vanish.
First stage of preparation is done. Let's move the car inside and continue detailing it.
Keep the record straight, keep it real, no time to fake. All authentic in my own lane. I am me till I'm in the grave. Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you.
This silver sticker comes off. I can feel that we still have some particles on the car. This is why I will use clay bar to clean them. Let's sort out our tools and get ready for work. For this specific job, I will need to remove a few panels. This one comes off. This badge off, mirror comes off, handles off, and I will remove taillights as well. Parts are off, and now is the time to lay some film. I will start with the bonnet. I will do bulk installation on it. I don't like this template for the bonnet. But for everything else, I will use modified templates. I just prefer modified for more coverage. Let's do it. Mustang is almost ready to go. Last thing to do, mirror caps. Customer decided to wrap them in gloss black. Also, I will wrap spoiler in gloss black. And probably that's it, yeah. And I need to finalize everything, trim, heat, seal it, make sure it will last forever. Now is the time to put the parts back together. Super easy, just put this one through that hole. And careful. Do not forget to plug connector. Today we're at Rolling Stock shop here in Sydney, and I have Ross here with me, who is the owner of this business. As I know, this is not a wrap shop. Would you like to introduce yourself and your business, what you do and everything else?
Absolutely, for sure. Yeah, so I'm from Rolling Stock, and I guess our emphasis here is on customized and forged wheels. So that's sort of our big thing. We put a lot of emphasis on cars that are sometimes fall into the too tricky basket, you could say. So, you know, cars where you don't have off-the-shelf fitments for and things like that. That's sort of where we have found our niche. We do a lot of flow forged and then forged wheels, which is, you know, something that goes along with having cars that are a bit trickier to fit out. We've got some pretty cool brands on board: Vorsteiner, Strass Forged, BC Forged. We do a lot of them. And one of the positives of having brands like Vorsteiner on board is that they also offer a very comprehensive aero program, so all the carbon fiber products, things like that. So we've been lucky enough to have them on board, and they do a really wide variety of kits, whether it's from M3s, M4s through to your 488s and your Lamborghinis, all that sort of stuff. So some really cool brands, which gives us the opportunity to work with some really cool cars. But definitely our thing is fitment, I guess. We try to get cars to look the way that the customer wants them to look, but still being fully functional, which is, you know, sometimes a little bit tricky to achieve, but that's what we try to achieve at the end of the day. So that's our thing.
So guys, if you need really cool rims, go to Rolling Stock here in Sydney. You have really cool stuff. Vorsteiner, as I know, Vorsteiner have a carbon fiber kit for the Tesla Model 3.
The new Model 3, exactly right, just come out.
Yeah, they look really good. If you own Tesla, you know where to go. And by the way, big thanks for letting me use your space.
Pleasure, mate. Thank you very much. It was great to meet you.
Yeah, thanks very much. Thank you very much for watching our videos. Do not forget to share your likes, subscribe our channel if you like our videos, and see you very soon.